Recessed lighting continues to be a major focus in state-sponsored model energy codes targeting opportunities in limiting energy costs through building design. Traditionally, recessed lighting has been manufactured with many penetrations to the outer housing that allows heated or cooled air to escape into the ceiling space. This creates an unnecessary strain on heating and cooling systems that result in higher than needed electric and gas bills. The state of Washington pioneered the creation of an amendment to their Model Energy Code that required all IC-rated recessed fixtures, those designed for direct burial in insulation, to meet certain airflow requirements on all new residential construction. Specifically, this airflow was to be limited to not more than 2 cubic feet per minute. In addition, any IC-rated product was to be labeled with verbiage that informed the code official that the product had been successfully tested to meet this 2 CFM requirement. This code still stands today, and in fact has been adopted verbatim in many other states since. It is expected that this requirement will eventually be adopted by virtually all 50 states at some time in the future. Most states that have adopted this code are considering making it a permanent part of their energy code. There are 23 states that currently require recessed products to be airtight. Among others, the list includes Washington, Massachusetts, Vermont, Idaho, Minnesota, Michigan, Wisconsin, Texas, Florida, and Oregon. Many products available in the marketplace provide labeling that is misleading. They might have verbiage that says airtight ready, airflow ready, or air sealed ready, and in some small print specify what needs to be done to the product to make it truly airtight. These measures can include special trims that are tested for airtightness, additional gaskets to be applied to the outside of the can, or prescriptive means using caulk or tape. Any product that is labeled as airtight, airflow, or air sealed ready is not airtight. All products labeled as airtight have been tested in a laboratory setting with the additional need for gaskets to the outside of the product. What confuses people sometimes is what needs to be done at the sealing opening to maintain airtight compliance. Products tested for airtightness are tested in a manner that assumes the sealing opening is sealed. In fact, the actual test has duct tape sealing off this area. All airtight cans must have something to seal off this area, which could include a gasket or caulk. Code officials often overlook this requirement. Code officials also often accept the airtight, airflow, or air-ready products as meeting the airtight requirement. Progress Lighting offers a wide range of recessed housings that are airtight in their standard configuration, including our standard 6-inch IC non-IC can P87-AT. As you can see, the P87-AT has been intentionally designed to have no penetrations in the outer housing. This allows us to meet the airtight requirement of less than 2 CFM with no additional gaskets on the outside of the housing and, consequently, at no additional cost. As mentioned earlier, many Progress Lighting competitors ship their product with labels claiming airtight readiness. The video you are watching shows Progress Lighting's P87-AT on the left compared to a major competitor's product that is, quote, airtight ready, unquote. Using dry ice to simulate the movement of air through the product, it becomes apparent the difference in each product's ability to inhibit the passage of airflow. In fact, it has been estimated that the P87-AT will save approximately $5 per can per year in energy costs using a 10-cent per kilowatt hour estimate. Progress Lighting's airtight recessed products provide value without additional cost and is the only product that makes sense to maintain energy costs over the length of time of a home. The benefits of recessed lighting are numerous, including lower maintenance, low brightness, less obtrusiveness, and more efficient use of lamp sources. In the past, there was a price to be paid to use recessed lighting, HVAC loss into the attic. Now, with Progress Lighting's Airtight products, you can significantly reduce your heating and cooling expense over other brands. Airtight recess makes sense, even in those states that do not require them by law due to their innate ability to inhibit the loss of expensive air into the attic space. And unlike the other brands, Progress Lighting Airtight products do not carry a higher price tag to obtain this feature. Select Progress Airtight Recessed Lighting and get more value for your lighting dollar.